Hello everyone, this is Irshad Ibrahim once more and welcome to my another video. Today's video is going to be very special because today I am going to share some of my secrets of happiness. Many of my friends always tell me that they are not happy with their life. They think their life is unhappy, obnoxious. They always feel disappointed, desperate, frustrated. So this video is for them who always think that their life is meaningless. So today I'm going to share some of my secrets, the way I make myself happy, the rules I follow that makes me happy. So here are 4 rules of my happiness. Number 1, always believe in God. Number 2, keep dreaming. And number 3, don't be greedy. And number 4 is don't expect so much, keep hardworking.